Hello everyone, Madhusmita here. This video is about the revised syllabus of IP class 11, which is reduced by 30% for this pandemic situation. Here I'll explain about which topic is reduced and which topic is same as before. First, Unit 1, Introduction to Computer System. In this unit, no changes are there, but total marks from this topic is increased. Before it comes for 5 marks, now it will be for 10 marks. Then Unit 2, Introduction to Python. The syllabus has changed in this unit. Only the basic of Python, statement, only if, else and for loop, then listing, list operation and dictionary. Only this much included in your syllabus and it will come for 5 marks. Data handling, NumPy, this portion is totally removed from your syllabus. Means only the basic concept of Python programming and how to use the list and dictionaries, this functional included in your syllabus. Then Unit 3, database concept and the language structure, query language, and this will come for 30 marks. Before it was only for 20 marks, means 10 marks is increases from this topics. Here you have to learn only the database concept, introduction to database concept and its need, database management system, relation and data model, concept of domain, tuple, relation, candidate key, primary key, alternate key. And advantages of using structured query language, data definition language, then creating database using MySQL data types, then data definition, create table, data query, select from where, and data manipulation, insert. Only this much you have to study in this database concept. Then Unit 4, Introduction to Emerging Trends. Syllabus has no change from this unit. Same syllabus you have to study before. Artificial intelligence, machine language, neural language processing, immense, expensive, robotics, big data, its characteristics. Same syllabus has no change in this unit, and mark distribution is also same. The 5 marks will come from this unit.